Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best automotive battery testers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Topdon BT100 car battery tester. Equipped with a large and easy-to-read TFT screen, this battery tester can directly detect the battery data and give suggestions on whether to replace the battery. It also has a cranking test and charging system tests that advise on repairing a circuit or buying a new battery. According to the seller, it displays test results, actual cranking voltage and cranking time, of the starter system in milliseconds to indicate if the cranking system is working properly. Its load tester can check the 12V charging system, ensuring the output voltage is within spec and the charging current is with normal range. Pros: easy to use, handheld grips, I like the color. Cons: monochrome display. Number 2. Our second best pick is ANCEL BA101 Professional Automotive Load Battery Tester. Baked into its small and compact design is an ability to read a much wider test range than some of the other testers in this post, with a spread of 100 to 2000 cold cranking amps, CCA. If you're wondering, anything over 1000 CCA is considered extremely robust by road car standards, so the lead acid cube in your 99 Cavalier will likely not exceed the tolerances of this tester. It provides a check of the alternator's charging and starter's cranking conditions, handy when diagnosing problems. A vehicle charging system test is also available, including load voltage, unloaded voltage, ripple status, and charging system status. Pros: detailed screen, lots of functions, ribbed for, redacted. Cons: cable isn't terribly long. Number 3. Our third best pick is Schumacher BT100 Battery Load Tester. Here's an old-school option that deploys a sweep needle to provide readouts, just like the band speedometer in your grandfather's 1989 Chevrolet Celebrity. It tests 6V and 12V batteries up to 1000 cold cranking amps, making it suitable for most cars and light trucks. Despite its decidedly vintage appearance, this tester is capable of testing load, battery condition, and starter motor draw. It features a top-mounted rocker switch for easier operation, worth noting in a world where some manufacturers decide to place power buttons right where one would normally rest their finger. Pros: great reviews from a large sample size, all the capability most will need. Cons: more difficult to read than a digital version. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is AUTDER Car Battery Tester. Remember LCD displays? If you're of a certain age vintage, there stands an excellent chance those inch-high red numbers have been burned into your psyche thanks to a series of bedside alarm clocks. Whatever the case, that's the type of readout deployed here. At least it's dead simple to read, with only 4 characters in its lighted display. Colored LEDs on the face of it indicate battery or alternator status with admittedly less precision than more detailed machines on this list. Picture a car with an idiot light for engine temperature instead of a gauge and you've got the right idea. Pros: dirt cheap, very simple. Cons: fewer details than others. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is KONNWEI KW600 Car Battery Load Tester. We'll round out this list with a battery tester that is able to effectively analyze and read key car system data such as voltage, resistance, cold cranking amp and capacity, plus battery health and charge status. CCA reads up to 2000, by the way. Displaying test results in text and graphing, this unit provides some of the most detailed information of anything on this list, making it great for the semi-serious mechanic or at least one who likes to give off the appearance they know what they're doing. The LCD screen measures 2.4 inches, nearly as big as your author's first TV and more vast than some OEM's first forays into digital infotainment systems. Pros. Very detailed readouts. Cons. Getting spendy. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.